So the pizza actually has boiled egg in it. Almost reminds me of biryani because biryani has boiled egg. So does this pizza. Hi guys! So we are back on yet another trail, and this time we are choosing the best pizza in Chennai.
Yay! Pizza time!
And Lukman is really going to enjoy. Lukman, do you like pizza?
Yeah.
How much do you like pizza?
1, 2, 3.
He likes pizza 1, 2, 3.
And that's not coming with us.
Yeah.
Tasneem, that's right. Tasneem is coming with us. So Tasneem is my sister, guys. So we are going to pick her up because she likes pizza, and we thought we'll have one more pizza fan. So first time வெளிய போய் நம்ம pizza சாப்பிட போறோம். So this is going to be a first experience for us in the new year. Something new that we're going to try. So guys, join us and let's have some fun.
And that's him also coming. Say good to meet the guys. Happy New Year.
Subscribe to our channel and keep watching our videos.
So Tasneem is here. Hi Tasneem.
Hi.
Are you excited about going for pizza?
Yes, I haven't had breakfast also. I'm going to fill up my stomach nicely.
Yeah, neither have
Nice.
we. So what's the first place?
The first place we're going to is called Pedrano's Global Fusion Restaurant. So they have fusion pizzas where it's a combination of 2 or more different toppings on the same pizza. So that's something that new that we're going to try.
So half and half, or you could have more.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I've never had pizza like this, you know. One pizza divided into like so many different flavors and such big pizzas.
What about you? What do you think?
I just like it. Pizza.
And guys, this place has really huge pizzas. It has 30-inch wide pizzas.
மூணு மூணுக்கு 4 பேர் இருக்கும். 4 பேர் சேர்ந்து அவ்வளவு பெரிய பீட்சா சாப்பிட முடியாது. So yeah, we're going for an 18-inch. So that's I think
Yeah, 18-inch. Reasonable size. We've ordered a combination pizza here. So it's half of pesto pizza and the other half is it's a polo a peri peri. So it's
spicy pizza.
Yeah, it's a spicy pizza. So this is the first time I'm having a half and half pizza. This sounds exciting. The size of this pizza, it's huge. Look at my head and look at this pizza. Compare it.
This is like twice your head size.
It's huge. And we are only 3 people who will eat this. Oh my god, it looks really tempting. And look at the white sauce and look at all the ingredients on top. It looks. And they have a lot of cheese. That is for sure because I just sort of had their margarita, which is like really good. So I have very high expectations of this pizza.
So Tasneem, I'm going to give you one of these.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at that.
Very nice. It's really yum. It's nicely flavored.
They have a mild jalapeno sauce, which is very, very nice. Sure that you don't get this everywhere else.
The difference between the two pizzas that we've ordered is this is pesto pizza, which actually has pesto sauce, which is basil-based sauce. It has like broccoli on it, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, which is a slightly milder taste, but the other one is nice and spicy. You know, with that mayo and everything, that's adding to the whole masala and the flavor is a lot more, and this is slightly milder. So I think when we ordered also, it's a good way to like judge two slightly different flavors together.
How do you rate the pizza here so far?
Out of 10,
Yeah,
I'll give it a 7.5.
7.5. Very nice. Got a lot of mayo on it. Very different pizza. It's cheesy and it's yummy. It's nice. It's really nice.
Like the pesto pizza now. It's nice. Very flavorful. There's a lot of pesto. This is really good. I really like the pesto pizza. There's lots of flavor. It can be a little more spicy, but yeah, you got the sauces over there. Nice now.
That's the pesto pizza. What? I would give it an 8.5 because the pizzas are very, very nice. You have an option of ordering 2 pizzas in one. You can order a half and half and you can choose really different flavors. So that means you get a chance to try 2 different pizzas at the same time. If, multiple options if pizza on the very so adnala in the pizza on the it's a very different pizza. It's a very tasty pizza. It's one something that we are going to remember and enjoy. It's probably one of those places that you're going to come back again in the near future.
I really enjoyed it. It was very difficult for me to control because we have to go to 2 other places. It's not like you can't say that this is like authentic Italian pizza or anything of that sort. This is like completely localized flavor to our Indian taste buds. A pizza that even your parents would enjoy. A place that everyone will enjoy. All in all, very very satisfying.
So it was a good experience altogether. So now we are heading to the second place.
Yay! So we are done with Padrino's now, and we are heading to our second place, which is
Something that Tasneem has figured out. Tasneem, what is this place and what do you know about it?
It's called Fat Boy. It's a place we order pizza from generally. There is one branch here in Ralwatpet and there's one near Ananagar in Shenoy Nagar. Let's go try this.
Fat Boy is good pizza apparently, but unfortunately they have only takeaway. They don't have an option of dining in. So finally we have come back to the basics and we are going to check out Toscana. So there are 2 places. There's Toscana and there is Toscano. Which one are we going to go for is a big question. Musna, which one are you going for?
we are going to Toscano. So we're going to try this relatively new place. So Toscano is on Khadanawaz Khan Road.
So this is Toscana, whereas we are going to the other place which is called
Kano.
It looks very nice.
I also really like the way the place has been done up. I love how they've done up the ceiling. It's so simple yet so beautiful. Even the menu looks so good. It feels so Christmassy and New Year's here.
Do you like this place? What do you like about it?
I like music.
What else do you like?
I like pizza.
Okay, you like pizza. Basically, it's a kit. It's a kit for dining, which they have completely sealed to give it that complete safe, sanitized and safe feeling. They've got wow.
The mat, the glass, the cutlery.
இந்த மாதிரி சேஃப்டி நீங்க வேற இடத்துல பார்த்துக்க மாட்டீங்க. This is a very very safe place because everything has been packed and kept very safely.
Actually, I feel like I have not taken enough precautions the way they have.
I like the pizza. A little different from the pizza that we had earlier on. This has got to do more with the toppings actually. What a different variety of toppings. So the pizza actually has boiled egg in it. Almost reminds me of biryani because biryani has boiled egg. So does this pizza.
Wow. Very interesting. Never had boiled egg with pizza. But this is really good. Pizza is amazing. Texture, the base, everything is perfect. I think this is a 8.5.
See, this is a sight to marvel, guys. It's like how much pizza can she take with one fork? She's taken the whole pizza actually. And what do you feel about it?
Get all the flavors.
There is no reaction about the pizza at all.
What kind of pizza you like, right? I again like a little bit of topping. I like something masaledar. I like something.
Yeah.
You know, I'm Indian.
Yeah. So even this is not that
It doesn't have that
exactly.
thing.
So guys, we just got out of Toscano and clearly the verdict for me is that Pedrino was a much better pizza, although the ambience and the place and the area and everything else was much better at Toscano.
Yeah, I think this place had amazing pizza only because they had much more flavoring in their pizza. It was more authentically Italian. It was very different, the fact that they put like eggs. That was a little odd though, only that egg part was a little odd.
So we took a short break
It's about 7:30 p.m.
and we found this new place now to have pizza called Ciro's. And I think they have another branch in ECR and we have another branch here on TTK Road. It's in the same place where Free Zone was now. It's the same
The
place.
ice cream parlor.
Yeah, it's the same place.
This pizza place is by the same guys who run Brew Room.
The exterior was very nice. You know, done it up very well. And inside also they have the brick, exposed brick.
Oh, that looks quite cheesy. Is that enough cheese, Tasi?
Herb infused olive oil.
Herb infused olive oil.
Looks very different. Pizza. Cheesy pizza. So cheesy. Wow. It's really good.
So this pizza has like a very limited number of toppings. The flavor of each topping is so accentuated. It's very tasty. It's really very different from anything I've eaten here.
First of all, there's not much sauce also in this. There's cheese and there's pizza base and toppings. Again, you know, it's not like if you like saucy pizza, it's not that. But it's really nice. It's very fresh and
Very simple, right?
very simple pizza. As opposed to the one that we had initially, the first one,
Yeah.
that was more sauce. And this is more about the toppings itself. So it's a different pizza, but it's yum. It's good. I like it.
That's the video, guys. We are finished with the third place. This was Ciro's. We had a lovely experience. So overall, if you ask me, so our opinions are going to be very varied. I still like Pedrino's the best. Number 2 was Ciro's because it was very different pizza. It was a different experience. Definitely, I would love to come here more often. Toscano, though it was a good ambience and good place and all that, for me it comes number 3 in this list.
Actually, for me, Ciro's and Pedrino's it would be equal because the pizzas are very different. But these are the kind of pizzas I enjoyed. I also enjoyed Toscano, but the only thing is, for me, it comes into more of a cafe category than a pizzeria.
I liked Ciro's the most. I think the pizza was very different as compared to any of the other places we've been to. Next would be Toscano because I really like the authentic pizzas that they make there. Compared to Pedrino's, I liked Toscano better. Pedrino's is also it's comfort pizza for sure. But this was definitely the best.
So guys, it's a toss between Ciro's and Pedrino's in terms of what is number 1, at least by majority. Alright guys, so that's the video. We had a lovely time. We tried 3 pizza places and it was an amazing experience. What do you guys think?
It was
Yes.
awesome.
I have so much pizza in my stomach right now.
Yeah, even
we all have
Lukman
so much-
says.
Thank you for watching us. We will see you soon with yet another new video.
And do and if you have any suggestions as to what other videos you can do, if you want us to try out a few places, do write it in the comment section and we'll try them out.